What are the top 5 tools in my shop? Let's check it out. Number 5 tool on this list is our giant 125 PSI air compressor. It's unfortunately sitting over there in the corner, but it does its job and it does it pretty well. Last 2 spots were a toss-up, but this Delta 12-inch drill press really comes in handy. We use it quite a lot. It's gonna move out of this nook where it's kind of hard to use. The Rikon belt sander is by far the number 3 most used tool in the shop. It's currently sitting over here as we need to make a permanent home for it. Number 2, this Delta 14-inch bandsaw. Got to replace the blade, but it's been working well for me ever since I got it. The most used tool in my shop, the Rikon 7150 VSR lathe. No brainer here. What are the top 5 tools in your shop? I want to do a bottom 5 tools in my shop, probably here shortly, and let's compare notes. Would love to see what I have in my top 5 that you don't have in your top 5. So let's get this conversation going.